Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. And Ramzan is coming near, so are you a vegetarian or a non-vegetarian? No matter what do you prefer, we are bringing you very delicious and top recipes for Ramzan. You can make these and refrigerate this for almost a month so that you can refry them on time and instantly be ready for iftar. Enjoy the video, let's begin. And if you don't know how to make any of these recipes, you can tell us in the comments and we will make a video to show you how to make any of them. So leave a like, subscribe and comment down below. So hope you enjoyed this video, and this video will help you to get more ideas in Ramadan. Remember to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.